Hey Twinkl parents, check out how to make this homemade personalised gift for your child's teacher. You will need cardboard, a bag, green and red paint, I've used acrylic, scissors, pens, I've used paint pens, a paintbrush and an apple. You need to start by placing the cardboard into the bag. This will help to protect the other side from paint going through. Now take your apple and cut it in half. Paint one side of the apple red with a brush, making sure to cover all the apple. Now stamp the apple onto the bag, repeating the process. Once you've finished with the red, you can use the other half to paint green apples. Now it's time to turn the bag over. You can personalise your bag more by adding the teacher's name using pens. Once you've done this, you can then stamp red and green apples around the name. To finish the apples off, you can add stems to your apples. And don't forget, we have lots of lovely Twinkl printables you can add to your bag. And why not get your children to create a 3D apple card? Step-by-step instructions can be found in the next video.